Oh. All right, guys, let's go. What's going on, YouTube? SRT Dad, and guys, today we're gonna do a little tune-up on the Charger, guys. So we're gonna change out all the spark plugs. Yeah, I know I got 4 here, but I got 4 boxes of these, which means, yes, those of you that are Hemi owners know that, yes, all these Hemis take 16 spark plugs, guys, which sucks because you got to pay double what the average V8 owner pays. But anyways, guys, we're not just doing that. We're also going to change the coil packs with these MSD coil blaster packs, guys. So I'm really excited to put these on today. Well, I'm not going to put them on, but my boy Dominic Toretto,
I don't have friends,
is going to put them on.
I got family.
Well, that's what I call him, guys. I call him, you know, I call him Dom Toretto. He's basically family to me now.
Family.
He is family to me now, guys. And he's going to install these spark plugs and coil packs today. But yeah, to me, I've always told him since I met him, like he always reminded me of Dominic Toretto. It's just because, you know, he's a car guy and he looks like him to me. But anyways, guys, we're headed over to his place right now. We're gonna get this done, so I'll see you guys when I get over there. All right, guys, so I just pulled up here to Dom Toretto's house.
You're goddamn right it is.
AKA Los. All right, so he's gonna be the man that's gonna take care of my coil packs and the spark plugs. So give us your credentials, Los.
Well, I'm a lead tech at a local shop. Been doing it for about almost 15 years.
15 years, guys,
years.
and he's always been working on my car since I've had it, basically, guys. Anytime something's been up with it, I always hit him up because he's always got all the answers for me. So
this is my boy.
So tell me something about the Hemi, man. I was telling him, I was joking around saying that is double the price, but it actually is.
It is.
So what's up with these Hemis, man?
Dude,
what are your thoughts?
Right
Be
here.
honest.
You know what? It's a good motor. It's a good car. But this simple stuff, the tune-up.
It's kind of stupid, huh?
It's
that double on the design.
Oh well, yeah. I mean, no, I'm just saying. But if you keep on it,
yeah,
do your work, do your maintenance, simple stuff like this.
Yeah.
Just spark plugs, but who knows?
Yeah.
It might go a long way.
The spark plugs look like, if they're older now, we'll find out. But let's go ahead and let's get started, man.
Stir it up.
Let's get it done.
All right, so these are spark plugs that are going on them.
Yeah.
They're iridium spark plug, and I'm pretty sure they were expensive.
Yeah.
And hardly, some people do gap them, but I don't. These are already pre-gapped.
Yeah.
And it's pretty close, but you don't want to damage nothing inside of the little core right there.
Yeah.
Because it's so little and fragile.
Okay.
So we just put a little lube, a little anti-seize, and then go right in.
All right, cool. All right. You heard the man.
I'm also with hard. They should release right away.
Say what's up, Jake.
What's up?
Hey, this is Jacob's YouTube debut as well. You know what? Let's say hi to Tony too. Say what's up, Tony. What's up? One.
Oh yeah.
So they didn't change them, huh?
They're not too bad, but you know.
Yeah.
Look at the portion's a little bit cracked. I don't know if you guys see that in there.
All right. So looking off this, what would you say about like the engine right now?
Well, it looks pretty healthy. It's not wet, it's not too lean, it's pretty good. I mean, I'm just looking at the little, I don't know if it looks cracked in there, that little portion in there.
Yeah.
A little.
Zoom in like,
let me see. But I mean, yeah, it's running good. It's running good.
All right. Another day at the office for Dom Toretto.
Another day at the office, yes sir. As little young bucks take care of the rest.
Yeah. Youngsters. Where you at, Jacob? Hey, how old are you, Jacob?
I'm 16.
Oh.
Now I'm gonna put a little bit of anti-seize on there. Just a little bit, a little dab on them, just so they don't get locked up in there. They shouldn't, as long as you change it, you know, when they're supposed to. But
Yeah.
it's just little things that I do here and there. And then we're gonna put a little bit of dielectric grease on the boots. Well, you know,
Okay.
actually, this has a little bit on there, this green stuff.
Yeah.
So it should be okay. We'll just do it like that.
Ready to go?
Yeah, they're ready to go.
Sweet.
Leave MSD for that. They're ready to go in.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Good stuff.
Hey, so why'd you tell them to get MSD, man?
You know, they're well known in the racing community and all that.
Yeah.
I mean, people just don't want to. I mean, they're expensive.
Yeah, yeah.
I get it. But, I mean, they look nice. Besides, they look nice. And they look
Yeah,
nice in the
yeah,
car.
yeah.
But, I mean, they do their thing. They're in for performance. So, I mean, why not? And you know, run better. I mean, you could probably do the same thing with the original, but
Yeah.
I mean, it's more for the looks. I
Yeah,
guess you
yeah,
could
yeah.
say. But I mean, they'll perform beautiful,
Sweet, sweet.
and it matches the car.
Heck yeah. Heck yeah, it does. Look at this.
Right. These are the ones that came out. Not too bad, I would say, but they could always be replaced. The new ones going in.
Yep.
So we'll get back to you in a little bit and see what's up.
Heck yeah, let's get it done.
Yep.
Shiny. Start it right up. Hell yeah. Go ahead.
Y'all think Toretto is the actor, but he's my stunt guy. I'm the actually Toretto.
Oh, so you're the stunt guy.
I just let him do the movies.
No, he's your stunt guy.
Yeah, he's my stunt guy.
Hey, give it another one. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead, another one. All right, so we messed up right now. You know, kind of my fault because I was talking to him while he was taking one of the spark plugs out. He was loosening it up, and we broke the dipstick.
It happens. It happens. It's probably old and brittle. I was trying to take out the coil pack or the spark plug actually, right?
Yeah.
And they're so tight, and my hand slapped, and I broke it. But I took care of my boy. Got him a new one. That's how Lowe's Auto takes care of his boys.
Heck yeah, and he got it out like in a minute, guys. It was crazy. We just jacked up the car and he got it from underneath. You know, he loosened this bracket up and
Pushed
it
it
popped
up.
right out like nothing.
And we're gonna keep this for the first dipstick broken at Lowe's Automotive.
Yes,
Put it on
sir.
the wall or something.
Heck
But
yeah.
we take care of my boy. Got him a new
Yeah.
one.
Yes, sir.
Now just put it back together and she's done.
Yeah, we're on a test drive right now. All right, guys. So we got it all on. We got the whole dipstick situation taken care of. Now it's time for a test drive.
Oh shit.
All right, YouTube. So to be honest, nobody's driven the car other than Tommy since I cammed the car.
Uh-oh. Remember guys, safety first.
That seatbelt on.
That seatbelt.
Yes, sir. All right. Well, you on this one?
This car is nice and all, you know. I love this car, but you don't want none of that. You don't want none of that. You don't
Look
want
at this
none of
monster. Look at this monster.
that. Get that 6.2 up in the hood. I don't know if you can see it from there. On top of the hood.
What does it say?
Oh,
Hey, let me get off this.
All right, you get off, get off. Get off, man.
Get off this quick. There it is. 6'2". 6'2", he said. He's got a
You don't
whole
want none of that, though.
0.1 a liter on me.
You don't want none of that. Good times, good times.
Yeah.
Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. I might become a move part. Oh, no. Just don't know, man. Oh man. What's up? What's up?
Yes, sir,
man.
sir. Let's go. Let's go.
Where we going?
Bank. Chase.
Chase.
Chase. Make a lefty right here. There you go. Yeah, I just want to thank my boy Los, aka Dom Toretto,
Anytime, my
for
dude.
hooking it up today.
Anytime.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Anytime.
All right, guys, I'm SRT Dad. Dom Toretto. We out.
up?
We out.